Hey there, welcome back. In the previous class we have done so far, and today we are going to create a main banner section. Actually we are going to make a video banner section where will be a video background, and in the overlay there will be a main title and subtitle, also a CTA button, so that we can attract our customers in the first look. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to my dashboard. Then click on the pages, and here is the home page. I'm going to click on the edit. Then click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, now click on settings, then page layout, Elementor with full width, hide title. Click on here, hide title. Okay, then click on this plus icon, click on here, then click on the settings, click on the video under the video type, and we are going to use this video. Okay, just paste this video URL in here. Then we are going to make this section full width, content full width or content box set, no problem. And height, we can make minimum height 600 pixel. Perfect. Then we'll add a title in here. Add title. Here is the title. Okay, title. Then add subtitle. Here is the subtitle. Then add paragraph. Click on here, text editor, paragraph. Then add CTA button, add button text. Perfect. Now we have to work on the style because it not looks so good. So click on here, center, and align item center. Also make it center. Perfect. Now click on here, style, color, background overlay, background type, of course black. Increase the opacity. Perfect. And now we are going to work on the title. So first we are going to change the color white, and then change the font size. Looks good. Also change this font color, font weight normal, and finally the text color, and then we are going to work on here. We can change color opacity, then view our ready made website, and change the border radius. Okay, now looks good. We can remove this section totally to make it looks more better, and work on the button. Then work on the button. Border radius 50 pixel, border type solid, and border width 2 pixel. Looks good. And typography font weight normal. Perfect. Then we'll make a space in here. For example, margin button 50 pixel, margin button 25 pixel, top 25 pixel. Now looks good. And finally change the height. Perfect. Click on the update. Now go to our website. It's not visible in here. We have to know the reason. The reason is so simple because we don't have selected the home page. So we have to go to the settings and click on the reading. Select a statistic page, select home page, save changes, and reload. Wow, now it looks so good and professional. And of course we have to change the font typography. So we are going to our header section to know which font we have used in here. Click on here, typography, Signica. So we are in there, and change the font typography Signica. Also changing this font Signica. Where is Signica? Yes, perfect. And finally this font size Signica. Looks good. Also you can change the font size of Signica. Now perfect. Click on the save, reload. So nice and beautiful. So I hope you understand how we have designed this section, and you have learned everything very easily. So thank you for your time to joining this class. If you think this class is very easy and very perfect for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and see you there in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.